Hello everyone, and in this video I would like to share my experience when I was studying in SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. But first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ayu Nyaman Puspa Dewi. You can call me Ayu or Puspa, that's how everyone's call me. I'm one of the students who graduated from this school batch 2008-2011. For me, having a long story with this school, I consider SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara as one of the best tourism school in Bali, which I will totally recommend. And talking also about my journey of learning, it started back in 2008 when I joined the school for the first time. Everything was amazing. Starts from the infrastructure, the teachers, they were very friendly, respectful, passionate, and of course they are very professional. They keen to teach us. And in this time also, I would like to mention the best part was after I graduated from the school, it didn't take me very long time to get my first job. I was working in Murara International Airport, but then I love to travel, especially travel with my job, and that's why I decided to move to work to abroad. I've been working in Doha and also Dubai, but now finally I'm back in Bali. Now I'm in charge as a supervisor in one of five-star hotel in Pechatu. I'm so grateful, and of course all of this I could achieve after I spending my 3 years studying in SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. And now I'm so glad finally I get a chance to thank the school by saying this is the best place where anyone can get high quality of teaching, and also friendliness of the teachers far beyond my expectation. Thank you very much. The last but not least, I would like to add as well, if you people around wanted to do something good in life, wanted to learn which will help you in the future, SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara is the place which will guide you to do that. Trust me, the teachers over here are the great mentors, and you will never regret once you decided to join the school. I think that's all that I could say about SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.